If you are new to affiliate marketing and want to get started with it, then this video is for you. Because in it, I'm going to show you how you can get started with affiliate marketing as an absolute beginner. Let's get started. Hi there and welcome to this beginner's guide to affiliate marketing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can get started with affiliate marketing in order to make money online. Affiliate marketing can seem overwhelming for beginners, but don't worry, we are here to break it down for you. Now let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique referral link. For example, let's say you promote a fitness app on social media. If someone clicks on your referral link and buys the app, you earn a commission for that sale. This is how simple it is to do affiliate marketing. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to find a product or service to promote. This is typically done through an affiliate program, which is a platform that connects you with merchants who are looking for affiliates to promote their products or services. Once you've joined an affiliate program and chosen a product to promote, you need to create content that will attract your audience and encourage them to click on your referral link. As you start promoting products or services, it's important to track your results and analyze your performance. This will help you identify what's working and what's not, and make adjustments to your strategy accordingly. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of affiliate marketing. One of the biggest advantages is that it allows you to earn passive income. Once you've created content promoting a product or service, you can continue to earn commissions from that content for weeks, months, or even years to come. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's important to be strategic and intentional in your approach. This means choosing products or services that align with your audience and your brand, and creating content that provides value and builds trust. It also means diversifying your income streams and not relying on any single product or merchant for your earnings. Finally, it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the affiliate marketing world and to continue learning and growing as a marketer. And that's it. With these tips and strategies, anyone can succeed in affiliate marketing. So go ahead and get started today and see how much you can earn. Now, if you are looking for YouTube video ideas to start making money with affiliate marketing, make sure you stick around to watch this video on your screen right now. Keep watching and I'll see you inside that video.